I've been here for 2 seconds, and like the amount of toys and expensive gear, I'm drooling. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Camera. At the Seagate booth right now, there is a hard drive being thrown by a robot into a backpack, filmed by a high-speed camera attached to a high-speed robot. Check this out. That was my first day at NAB. Now granted it was a half day, I got there around noon or so, and I was there till they kicked me out at 6. That was incredible. It was huge. There was so much more going on than I was expecting, and I expected a lot. I still only saw Central Hall and the first floor of the South Hall, and even then I didn't see all there was going on. I just had a list of places that I wanted to see: Adobe, Sony, Canon, Asden, and I hit the major ones that I wanted to hit. There were so many talks going on by so many great people. Devin Graham was there. I was walking over to the Adobe booth, and had I known this talk was going on by these people, I would have gotten there a heck of a lot earlier. It was Andrew Kramer and Peter McKinnon. I was walking up there, and I heard a voice. I'm like, that voice sounds really familiar. It was Peter McKinnon, the guy who people say if I grew my hair out and maybe got a bushier beard, I'd look like him. I do see a little bit of a resemblance. Oh my. Listen, it's hot in Vegas. I don't want to be with one of those Vegas bros with my shirt unbuttoned way too much. Anyway, tomorrow I fly back into New York City. However, it's not until like 11:30 at night. So I'll wrap here around noon tomorrow, and then head back over to the convention center for to spend the rest of my time at NAB before I head over to the airport. Got a bunch of stuff. What have I got here? Dodge Ram. Signed up for a truck giveaway, and they gave me a shirt too. Good folks at Asden, because they hooked me up. YoPro, Young Professionals, which is people between the age of, I think, like 21 and 35. I just made that cutoff. They gave me this long sleeve shirt, as well as a pass for a networking happy hour thing immediately after NAB today. And as I was on the shuttle back to the Bellagio, I looked out the window and I said, oh, that amazing little area over there, that's the networking event that I totally forgot about. I was so exhausted and hungry, I wanted to leave, and then I realized, oh, there's a bunch of free food and things like that over there. Oops. So, got one from Porter Brace. They realized what a big fan I was, and they hooked me up with a hat. And a bunch of other stuff, pens and things like that. The single best handout that I got, a piece of paper. Boom. This is the theater schedule for Adobe at their booth. 80% of their booth about is a theater, where they just have speakers, people are showing workflows in After Effects and Premiere. They have top speakers, I just said, Peter McKinnon and Andrew Kramer, for crying out loud. My man Jason Levine was there today. He'll be there tomorrow. I missed him. He was in the morning. Tomorrow he's a little bit more spread out throughout the day, so I'll be able to see him. Listen to some of these things here. This is why I need to be here the entire week and have like multiple people here going to as many different things as possible. Live character animation, performing and interacting in real time. That's cool. I'd like to get into that, but I don't have the time to learn it. I mean, that right there is an hour tutorial, step by step from Adobe in person. Documentaries and dragons, integrating audio and video workflows. I'm just picking stuff out here at random. The Premiere Pro, the must-have NLE. I'm already convinced I will not go to that one. Sorry, Jason. I'm sure it's a great session, but I'm convinced. Photoshop for video, interesting. Film and TV workflows, would love to hear that. Audio tools for post-production. I could always get back. Oh wait, that's Thursday. See, this is it. I'm not here. I'm only here for like less than half the show. So now I know for next time to come here for all of it. I don't even want to look at my data on my phone. I only have like 4 gigs a month, and the Wi-Fi in there was abysmal. So I was on LTE, and I was sharing a lot of photos and video on my Instagram, on my Facebook, on my Twitter. So depending on where you follow me, you saw different things. I have some things in my Instagram stories, some on my Instagram feed, Facebook, everywhere. So anyway, follow me there if you haven't already. And so see content like that from my travels and from behind the scenes from projects I work on and things like that. So for like you guys who wear contacts, after a long day you're like, I am exhausted. And then you take your contacts out, you're like, wait a minute, I've got like an extra hour in me at least. That's me right now.